Developing right now at 6, Harris County District Attorney Kim Ogg is turning to Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton's office to investigate and prosecute pending public corruption cases involving Harris County Judge Lina Hidalgo's office. Good evening and thank you for joining us. I'm Keith Garvin.
And Mandy Sirota. Daniela is off tonight. Those cases revolve around claims that Hidalgo's office illegally steered an $11 million COVID vaccine outreach contract, already resulting in the indictments of 3 senior staffers. KPRC 2's Bryce Newberry live at the Harris County Criminal Courthouse with the latest twist in this story. Bryce.
Andy and Keith, critics are already coming after DA Ogg for this announcement. In fact, County Judge Lina Hidalgo just responding, saying that the DA is trying to keep her story alive by handing this case to Ken Paxton. But Ogg says her decision to get the Attorney General's office involved is to protect the public's integrity and trust in government. But after losing her re-election battle just last month, DA Kim Ogg is projected to be replaced by Sean Tier. He's also a Democrat and was endorsed by Judge Hidalgo. He said he'd recuse himself from these cases involving Hidalgo's indicted staffers, then refer them to another DA for impartial treatment. But DA Ogg says she doesn't want the cases to be overwhelmed by politics, which prompted her request for help from AG Ken Paxton's office.
It was my intent that our office would prosecute the cases, but with the results of the election and the uncertainty about when the case will be tried, I felt it was my duty to get it to an office that I knew would not allow this case to be swept under the rug. Evidence is not political. It is simply evidence, and I want this case heard by a Harris County jury.
During her press conference earlier today, Kim Ogg casted doubt on Tier's ability to prosecute public corruption, saying she's worried about the specter of fixing cases for political support, considering he got the endorsement from Hidalgo. Again, her office at the center of this criminal investigation. Tonight, Tier is responding, telling us in a statement that Kim Ogg ignored the voters and called a press conference to attack her opponents and make clear that political fighting feuds is more important than finishing her term, ensuring justice for victims across our county. I've been clear from day one, we must restore integrity to the DA's office. And in just the last few minutes, County Judge Lina Hidalgo has responded, calling the DA's claims baseless. She wrote in a post on X, formerly known as Twitter, that in her parting days, DA Ogg has sealed her legacy by sending this vendetta to somebody who's constantly engaged in political attacks against me in Harris County. And just for some recent context on that, you look at the county's plan to give some families that guaranteed income every month. That's been blocked by AG Ken Paxton's office. That's just one example of the battle between Republican state leaders in Austin and county leaders here in Harris County.
The fact that these are going to the AG's office for investigation or for prosecution, I mean, does that add to kind of the politicalness of them?
You have to understand that while there was a steel cage death match between Kim Ogg and Lina Hidalgo, on one hand, there is an ongoing steel cage death match, the sequel, between the Attorney General's office and the county judge. There is bad blood, there's politics, and I'm telling you, we have not heard the last of this.
Ogg does have 8 months left in her term. She says she hopes to get these cases before a jury before then, but our legal analyst, Brian Weiss, says he'd be shocked if that happened. We're live downtown. I'm Bryce Newberry, KPRC 2 News.